So today I was in a mood to create something exceptional. So I came up with this sultry cut crease. And so many people think that cut crease is difficult, but with my this tutorial, I am going to clear that cut crease is really easy to do. And if you're ready, let's start with the video. And welcome back to my channel as well. My name is Yadvinder, and in order to create that cut crease, I'm first taking this brown eyeshadow and start placing it above my eyelid. And for that I'm using a flat shader brush, and this is a big flat shader brush. I am just tapping the color above my lid area and doing it. You have to be precise, so you have to use good brushes for this. Now in order to smudge that further, I'm just taking more of that brown eyeshadow and diffusing the corners, and for that I'm using a small definer brush. And after diffusing the edges, now I'm all set to cut my crease, and for that I'm taking small flat shader brush, and with the help of concealer I am cutting my crease. And you can see how easy is that to cut that crease. You just need to practice sometimes and you will be good to go with this skill. And you just need to understand the dimension of your eyes in order to be the master of this beautiful eye makeup. And I'm using that concealer all over my lid as well. One thing more I want to say that in makeup you don't need expensive products. With simple products you can create so much things. And after that I'm using this color and start placing it all over my eyelid area using a small flat definer brush. And after that I am going to take out a small wing using a brown eyeshadow and a definer brush. And I have told about creating this beautiful wing eyeliner in my previous video, and if you want to know about that you can check out. And with the help of that shadow I am creating this beautiful sultry wing which is looking smoky and not looking so much dark on the eyes, which is complementing the soft cut crease look. One thing more, I am going to apply the same brown eyeshadow in my lower lash line as well to match up the two and to even out my upper and lower lash line and to make them look of same color. And as you can see, this look is turning so beautiful in person. I don't know how much the camera catches, but it looks amazing. And it's time to curl your lashes, so I'm using this curler to curl my lashes, and it's really important to curl them before applying anything. And in order to finish up, I'm using a good coat of mascara. And even though my natural lashes are so big, I don't think that I need any kind of falsies in this look, so I'm avoiding using falsies. I think I'm going to make a video how to place the false lashes correctly on the next video. And yeah, this is completed. I'm applying the mascara on my lower lash line as well. And after completing this, my look is completely done. And it's all about this look. And one thing more, in order to finish up it properly, I'm using this shadow to highlight my brow bones, so that it can attract more light and pop out, and using the same eyeshadow in my inner corner as well to highlight that. So yeah, this is all about this look, and You can create anything you want. You just do not need to be so much expert. You can try and you can experiment. And this is what came up as a result. And if you liked and enjoyed my video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I shall be back with another video soon. By that time, bye guys. Thank you very much to come on my channel.